Alright, it's been a busy morning. This is my second swarm today. I went and checked on one earlier this morning. I was in a tree. I really couldn't do much with that one, so they're going to handle that one. I gave them all the tools and everything to handle that one because they're cutting up the tree. And then I got home, got a phone call as soon as I got home for this little swarm here. I'll show you a little bit of video now of what I did, and then I'll come back.
Can you hear history calling you, calling me, written in stone upon tablets that fade away? We will remain. Oh, look what we done, the wars we won. We rise like the sun, but don't go down. I want it all, I want it all. So long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I'll wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, say it. King, king, king. Long live the kingdoms will fall to mine is the only one, written in stars like a sign of glory to come. Like the sun, but it won't go down. I want it all, I want it all. Long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my...
Alright, back. So that was a pretty good sized swarm. It was on the slide. I'm at a school close to my home, and it was pretty simple. I didn't suit up. Well, I didn't have my suit because I gave it to them to handle the other bees, but anyway, these ones were pretty gentle. I did get stung a couple times, but not bad. And put them in the box. Now they're all off of the slide and going in the box. So I'll flip this around and show you what it's like. Alright, so they were all up there, now they're right there. Everybody's going inside. That's what we want to see. Alright, so that's it. They're all going inside. I'm going to let these sit overnight. I'm going to come back first thing in the morning because they're going to let me in, and I'm going to take them home. Anyway, another exciting day. I did get lit up today. Today is probably the most bee stings I've ever had. I got 4 or 5 in this arm. I have at least 10 in this one. Got stung in the neck, and then 2 on my back, or 1 on my shoulder. That was my fault. These guys weren't aggressive. I got stung 3 times from these guys. All the others were from the ones this morning. Anyway, don't have any footage of that one, but it was a busy morning, and I'm gonna go home, take some medication, and rub some hydrocortisone on my stings. So hopefully I don't die. Alright, we'll see you on the next video.